G'day, this video is part 2 on the box making for Year 10 CAD. In this video I'll show you how to assemble your pieces that you've made into the basic frame of the box. So the first thing we need to do is click on Assembly or standard IAM if you're going from the File menu. Nice. Now we are not going to place from Content Center. If you can see that, you just click the little drop down button next to it, little arrow on the right there. Click that, and we're going to change that to just where it says place. That's what we want. We don't want place from Content Center, we just want to place. So click place, and then we can locate your folder in the student share directory, and you can find the first of the pieces that you actually produced. I'll quickly zoom forward while I'm trying to find frantically the pieces that I have just made in the previous video. There they are. So ideally what we need to do is place. So when you get looks like this, just click once with the mouse, or on the left side of the trackpad if you're really intent on using trackpads, but trackpads in CAD is a pain in the neck to me. When you can see this ghostly image, press escape on your keyboard and it will not want to place that piece anymore. Nice. Then we're going to go up to the place icon again and load up our other piece that we made. Yep, piece 2 of 2. Open. There we go. Click to place it. Lovely. And press escape to get rid of the other place options. Alright, so when we're joining these together, I'm going to use the view cube to move it around. We basically want the end grain of one piece to go into that notch that's cut into the side, kind of like the cheeks of the other piece. And we're going to use the constrain and mate function. So we're going to click constrain. Now there's two options, mate and flush. Right now we want the mate function, which is the first one that's already selected by default. We want to mate that piece over to that side of the board. So I'm going to click mate. I'm going to select the whole end face there. I'm going to spin this around so I can see it a little bit better. There we go. And I want that one there. Then I'm going to click apply. Really important to make sure you do that. Otherwise you will move things around. Now it's done a decent job so far. It's just left a little bit of a gap. So we're going to flush it now. We're going to click flush. We're going to flush the top face with the top face on the other board and click apply. And now we're going to flush the edges. We've got that little bit of side grain showing, so we can click on the large face there and that little piece of end grain and apply. And now we have got a nice assembly with sort of a front and a side. If you imagine like a half of a drawer box. Now what you can do is actually save this as an assembly, and it'll save yourself a little bit of work later on. So go to close the constraints and we'll go File, Save As. Beautiful. Now we're saving it as an assembly, an IAM. Now make sure you do select your student share folder. So I'm going to say box assembly 1. Do I leave it like that? No, I've half, because it's half a box really, and it's missing the base, so technically it's under half a box. Alright, now I'm going to close that, which seems really weird, but I'll show you why. So now I'm going to click assembly again. By the way, you close it with a little X in the top right corner. Now I'm going to place. I'm going to find my assembly, my half assembly, and click open. And now I can place it once and then place it twice. And now I can press escape. Means that I don't have to do all the little flush and mate commands. So basically now I need to get the end of that piece to join up to the face of that one. So I'm going to go constrain, mate. Nope, I've clicked an edge. Cancel. If you click an edge, it won't work. So try again, constrain, mate. I'm going to spin it around a bit more. There we go, the face there to that face there. Great. Click apply. Now I just need to flush them. So I'm going to use the flush command. Side grain there. with that side grain and apply. And then I can spin it to the top side and you can see where I need to flush them up, which is just woodwork torque for making them level. The top there with the top of that piece, and then apply. There you go. That's your basic box frame complete. I did pick the two different wood colors so you could see that it has gone together properly. So that's really the basis of all box making. It can be as simple as that. I hope that's been of some help. And on the last part, we will make a base panel and then assemble it.